friends, my name is Ansh and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about NSO, National Science Olympiad for Grade 2, Chapter 2, Animals. So let's begin. Question number 1. Which of these activities we should not do? The answer is option B. Question number 2. Select the incorrect match out of the following. The answer is option B. Question number 3. Dash is the name of the baby of the animal shown here. The answer is option C. Kid. Question number 4. Moo moo. Where are you? Come to me. I will give tasty dash to you. Select the option that correctly fills the blank in the given statement. The answer is option C. Milk. Question number 5. Select the option that can complete the given table. Burrow, rabbit. X, pigeon. Kennel, Y. The answer is option C. Nest and dog. Question number 6. Select the odd one out on the basis of habitat. The answer is option D. Question number 7. Select the habit that we should not follow. The answer is option D. All of these. Question number 8. Ravi was asked to make 4 groups, each with 3 animals, which are useful to humans in a similar way. But he had made a mistake. Select the option with the mistake. The answer is option B. Cow, goat and buffalo. Question number 9. Which of the following statements is correct? The answer is option D. All of these. Question number 10. Select the option which on unscrambling gives the name of the homes of horse. The answer is option C. Question number 11. In the given diagram, what would deer be called? The answer is option A. Prey animal. Question number 12. Which of the following will most correctly complete the given rhyme? I would love to ride a zebra and stroke a lion's mane or race beside a cheetah. The answer is option C. If only they were tamed. Question number 13. Select the option that correctly matches the object shown here with the animals from which we get them. The answer is option C. Snake and silkworm. Question number 14. Starting from the first letter, strike out every alternate letter in the given options and select the one that gives names of young ones of the animal shown here. The answer is option D. Question number 15. Match the column 1 with the column 2 and select the correct option. The answer is option C. Question number 16. How many names of animals that lay eggs are hidden in the word grid? The answer is option A. 3. Question number 17. Study the given classification chart. Where should one peacock and two louse will be placed? The answer is option C. Question number 18. Study the given figure and select the correct option regarding it. The answer is option D. All of these. Question number 19. What are X and Y in the given rhyme? Said the X to the Y. Good gracious, how you hop over the field as it will never stop. My life is a boat in this hasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the X to the Y. The answer is option C, fish and kangaroo. Question number 20. Refer to the given flow chart and select the correct option regarding it. The answer is option B. Thanks for watching.